Hello and welcome to this new course in which I'm going to teach you how to add Wi-Fi to your simple Arduino board. This is Asha from Educational Engineering team. In this course, you will learn how you can connect your Arduino microcontroller into a Wi-Fi module and to make it web enabled. You can turn this simple Arduino board into an Internet of Things device with few simple steps. Now, for this purpose, we will use a module, a very cheap module that costs less than $4, and it's called ESP8266. It's basically a Wi-Fi module that can provide Wi-Fi capabilities to your Arduino board. We won't use the Arduino Wi-Fi shield because it costs so much and it has limited capabilities. Instead, we are going to use a smaller, cheaper thing to make it web enabled. I know that after this course you will gain a lot of knowledge that will help you start using any Arduino board as an Internet of Things based microcontroller. Adding this module to your Arduino Uno will open you to more exciting devices, projects and ideas using the all simple Arduino Uno board or any other board if that matters. The only thing that you would need is an Arduino board and a module, and we'll talk about that in the next lesson. Thanks for watching this lesson. See you next.